Hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Help Guide. Today, in this video, I will be showing you how to delete Twitter recent search history. First, open the Twitter app on your phone. Tap on the search icon from the bottom navigation bar. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen. Here you will see the cross icon on the right side of your screen. Tap on it. A pop-up screen will appear. Tap on Clear from it, and you will delete Twitter's recent search history. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful and you're able to delete recent search history on Twitter. If you like our video, then don't forget to hit the like button on our video and comment down if you have any question or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to our channel.